अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू केमिस्ट्री अकॉर्ड। अब ये वीडियो सीरीज़ हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए एसएसटी जो टेस्ट होने वाला है उसकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए। आपको ये सिलेबस नज़र आ रहा है आपकी स्क्रीन्स पर, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है इंटरमीडिएट लेवल, यानी आपने जो प्रिपरेशन करनी है एसएसटी की वो आपने इंटरमीडिएट लेवल की करनी है। बिसाइड्स इस वीडियो में उन लोगों को भी फ़ायदा हो सकता है जो ईटा टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं या फिर एमडी-कैट देने वाले हैं। तो ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है इसी सीरीज़ की, जिसमें हम बायोलॉजी फर्स्ट ईयर यूनिट नंबर 1 को डिस्कस करेंगे। बेसिकली उसके एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। बायोलॉजी यूनिट नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन। The chemicals produced by microorganisms which are capable of destroying or inhibiting the growth of another organism are antibiotics. Planning to reduce plant diseases by applying different strategic method is called, it is called as integrated disease management. Next is treatment of disease by X-ray or other ionizing radiation is called radiotherapy. Redwood trees measure over 300 feet. The reasoning from a specific set of observation to reach a general conclusion is inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning जो होगी वो फिर इसके opposite हो जाएगी. A community along with its non-living environment is called ecosystem. The term biology is of Greek origin. ये previous paper में भी काफ़ी दफ़ा आ चुका है. All the living and non-living matter is formed of atoms and subatomic particles. Deductive reasoning is always from general to specific. ठीक है, ये उसका opposite है inductive का. Next is collection of interbreeding organisms of same species is called population. Growing of plants without soil is hydroponics. Period from 600 million to 270 million years ago is called Paleozoic era. Era between Paleozoic and Cenozoic is Mesozoic. Meso का मतलब होता है in between, तो ये Mesozoic हो गया. Living together of two organisms belonging to different species is called symbiosis. Life emerges at the level of cell. The use of natural enemies to reduce the damage caused by pest population is called biological control. First living organism originated 3,000 million years ago. First antibiotic to be discovered was penicillin. Dolly sheep was cloned in 1996. Biological applications provide better health, food and environment. The process of immunization by vaccine was first introduced by Edward Jenner in the year 1795. The plants having foreign DNA in their cells is called transgenic plants. Cloning is a technique for achieving eugenic aims. Cowpox is a viral disease. The integrated disease management involves combating of diseases. Number of bioelements constitute 99% of total mass is 6. An unbroken series of species arranged in ancestor to descendant order is called phyletic lineage. The manipulation of desired genes in plants and animals is called cloning. The species of plants and animals likely to be extinct are called as the endangered species. One of the methods to produce genetically identical organisms by asexual method is tissue culture. Thanks for watching. सब्सक्राइब कर लें चैनल को कि आपको वीडियोस मिलती रहे और ये सीरीज कंटिन्यू रहेगी until लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ सेकेंड ईयर और इसके अलावा कुछ जर्नल एमसीक्यूज भी होंगे. थैंक यू.